Welcome, Bike Fitness family. Today, we re-zeroing in on one of the most powerful and essential muscle groups in your entire body, right here on the front of your thighs. These 4 muscles, the rectus, femoris, vastus lateralis, vastus medialis, and vastus intermedius are the engines that power almost everything you do. From simply walking and standing up to sprinting and jumping, your quads are at the center of it all. So, let's give them the attention they deserve with a killer 10-minute home workout. You don't need a gym, you don't need any weights, just your own body power. Are you ready? Let's get to it. First things first, we need to properly warm up those legs. A good warm-up increases blood flow, gets your muscles ready for action, and helps prevent injuries. Just follow along with me. First up, leg swings. We'll do 30 seconds on each leg. Stand tall and swing one leg forward and backward in a smooth, controlled motion. Keep that upper body straight. This is fantastic for opening up your hip flexors and gently waking up your quads. All right, switch sides. Filled it nice. Gentle stretch. Next, we're moving into 30 seconds of butt kicks. Just jog in place, focusing on bringing your heels up towards your glutes. This really gets the blood flow into your thighs and warms up your knee joints. Let's go. Last part of the warm-up, 30 seconds of bodyweight squats. Go down nice and slow, and go deep. Really focus on engaging your quads and glutes as you lower and rise. Feel that stretch and power building up. You should be feeling warmer already. Alright, warm-up done. Now for the main event. We've got 6 exercises lined up. We'll do each one for about a minute, with a quick 15-second rest in between. Are you ready to feel the burn? Let's crush this. First up, a true classic. Bodyweight squats for 1 minute. Get your feet about shoulder width apart, chest up, and core nice and tight. Now, lower yourself down as if you're sitting in a chair until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Then, powerfully push back up through your heels. Make sure your knees are tracking in line with your toes. This move is fundamental for building both strength and definition in your quads. Keep that form solid. You've got this. Great job. Let's move on to exercise number 2. Forward lunges, 1 minute. Step forward with your right leg and lower your hips until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Then, push off your front foot to return to the starting position. Now, switch to the left leg. The key here is to keep your upper body straight and tall. Don't lean forward. Feel your front thigh muscle, your quad, doing all the work to lift you back up. Keep that movement controlled and steady. Okay, time to find a wall for our third exercise. The wall sit. We're holding this for 1 full minute. Lean your back flat against the wall and slide down until your thighs are parallel to the floor, just like you're sitting on an invisible chair. Keep your back straight against the wall and check that your knees aren't going past your toes. This is a static hold, and trust me, it's going to build a serious burn deep in your quads. Breathe through it. Stay strong. You're building endurance right now. Come on, you can do it. You survive. The wall sit. Now for exercise 4, the Bulgarian split squat. Find a low, stable surface like a chair, a step, or the edge of your sofa. Place the top of one foot behind you on the surface. Now, lower yourself down into a lunge on your standing leg, and then push back up through your front heel. This move is incredible because it isolates each leg and really targets the quads intensely. We'll do 30 seconds on one leg, then switch. Let's go. Feel that front leg working. Alright, quick switch. Other side, keep your balance. Keep your core tight. We're almost there. Exercise 5 is step. Use a sturdy platform, a stool, or the bottom step of your stairs. We'll do this for 1 minute. Step up with your right leg. Bring your left leg up to meet it. Then step back down with the right, followed by the left. Keep alternating which leg leads. The most important part is to push through the heel of the leg that's stepping up. That's the moment your quad really fires up and does the work. Let's keep a good pace. Last exercise. Team, let's finish strong with pulse squats for 1 minute. Get down into your regular squat position, thighs parallel to the floor. Now, instead of coming all the way up, just pulse up and down a few inches. These small movements create a massive burn. Keep that chest up and your thighs engaged the entire time. Feel that fire building. That's your quads working overtime. Embrace the burn. It's making you stronger. Just a little longer. Amazing. If you're feeling extra strong and want a bonus challenge, let's go. Repeat those last 2 exercises, step-ups and pulls, squats back to back. For one more round, this is totally optional, but it will push your muscles to the limit and build some serious endurance. Let's see what you've got. Woo, awesome work. The hard part is over. Now, let's cool down and give those quads a nice, relaxing stretch. First, the standing quad stretch. We'll hold for 30 seconds on each leg. Stand up, grab your right ankle, and gently pull your heel toward your glutes. Try to keep your knees together. You should feel a great release all along the front of your thigh. Okay, let's switch legs. Breathe into the stretch. Next, a seated forward fold for 30 seconds. Sit down on the floor with your legs straight out in front of you. Gently reach forward toward your toes. You'll feel a nice stretch in your hamstrings and a gentle release in your quads. Finally, let's finish with a child's pose. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, stretch your arms forward, and just relax your head down. Breathe deeply and let your muscles recover. You've earned this. Congratulations. You just completed your 10-minute quadriceps workout. You should be incredibly proud. Remember, consistency is what brings results. Try to do this workout 3 to 4 times a week to build strong, powerful legs that will support you in every single thing you do. If you enjoyed this workout, please hit that like button. Share it with a friend who might need it. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome home fitness videos just like this one. Stay strong, stay motivated, and I can't wait to see you in the next workout.